I joined Frontier College. I improved my English in general, speaking, writing, listening, and reading skills are taught separately in very interactive way. We really appreciate the efforts of our teachers.
I'm very happy and satisfied with the teaching approach. It was a great opportunity. We thank our teachers and managers.
The books are just perfect. Teachers are very experienced.
We've been taught listening at the basic level. It's allowed us to sound native.
What I like about Frontier College is that everybody is committed and teachers are professional.
It was a good experience. I learned a lot in a very short time.
To see that a student who has been in basic has just thought that I should thank my teachers, to think that my teacher is very important to me. He has changed my life. That is very, very great. And it shows that that child really has appreciated, and Allah will bless that child.
And to our dear students, thanks for the love. We hope that you continue with this kind of love for the college, love for your teachers, and self-love, because it begins with self-love. You love yourself, then love the people around you. Love your teachers, love your college, and it all becomes fine. So, I don't want to take long because it's all happiness, it's all expressing joy, and we are really happy. Thank you so much for this gesture. I personally appreciate.
We really appreciate your mode of demonstrating what we have been giving to you throughout the course of 4 months or 3 months, whatever it could be. Really, we are very thankful.
So please, I thank you so much and keep it up. I've always encouraged you. Don't only feel like speaking English when you are with your teachers in class.
The first of its kind, when students organize themselves without pressure from from outside, and they organize an appreciating ceremony to the teachers. So I want to say thank you very much for this, what you have done to us.
Frontier College is the only place, I'm sure about this, it is the only place that will make you cross the border from Somalia and connect to the world with a nice English, with good pronunciation, good grammar and knowledge. You will not find this from any other place in Mogadishu, in Somalia, apart from Frontier.
Frontier